Today we are going to demonstrate how to use the Karol-Warner California Bearing Ratio and Limerock Bearing Ratio test Data Acquisition Software. The Karol-Warner CBR LBR Data Acquisition Software is a convenient, easy-to-use Windows-based software that records and displays in real time data from load frame sensors in tabular and graphical format during CBR or LBR testing, in accordance with ASTM and AASHTO test specifications. Before we start, let's review the menu options. At the top of the open window of the data acquisition software, we have File, Utilities, and Help. Click on File and we can begin a new test, open a previous test, save the existing test, save an open test as a copy or in a different location, create a PDF of a test report, preview a test report before it is printed, print a test report, and exit the program. Click on Utilities and we can enter the test setting. Click on Settings and a new menu opens. Here we can enter the equipment used to perform the test, choose the type of test, enable or disable the pop-up keyboard feature for testing while using a tablet, and indicate whether we want the report in metric or imperial units. And finally, the user can enter the testing agency information and logo, which are displayed on the test report. Click on Help to find assistance with this program, contact information, or to activate your software. And of course, as with most software programs, there is more than one way to execute a program command. Here at the top, you will also see file command icons. Now that we have reviewed the menu bar, let's demonstrate how to perform a new CBR test using the Karol-Warner CBR LBR Data Acquisition Software. Be sure the computer is connected to the digital readout box through its mini USB port, and that load and displacement sensors on the load frame are properly connected to the readout box. Click on File and New to begin the process. Now click on Utilities and Settings. Select the readout box channel assignment. Enter the equipment used for the test. Now select the type of test you are going to perform, CBR or LBR. Now select desired measurement units. If you are using an on-screen keyboard like the one found on a tablet, be sure to enable Pop-up Keyboard's Keypads function. For this demonstration, we are using a standard desktop keyboard, so we will leave this box unchecked. Finally, enter the testing agency information that will be included in the test report. Click Save and Close. Now establish your connection to your readout box by selecting the proper serial port in the Start Communication panel. Once connected, the travel values will be displayed at the bottom right of the Start Communications tile. For this demonstration, we are using the Practice feature. The Practice feature allows the user to familiarize him or herself with the software. Uncheck the Practice box once you are ready to perform a test. Next, enter the project sample information, including project and client information, compaction method, and sample information. These values will be included in the final test report. Once entered, click Set File to designate a file location and name using File Explorer. Now enter the piston diameter, which will be used in the final calculations. Place the CBR specimen on the platen and seat the piston. Once seated, click Start Test and then select Up on the load frame to start the platen advance. The software will continue to collect data until the travel has reached ½ inch or until Stop Test is selected. At this time, you can stop the platen from advancing. Now the data collected will automatically be ready for analysis or export. You can preview, print, or export the data obtained for your CBR test. For any questions about the Karol-Warner 6752 CBR LBR Data Acquisition Software, or for any Karol-Warner product, please contact your Karol-Warner technical support team.